Alright guys, we're all set, ready to cut. I have the cutter down 25 thousandths of an inch. We're gonna redo everything we've done before. This is my backup cutter, so I think some of the edges might be bad because of you know, this might not be a very good, very nice and sharp, but we'll give it a try anyway. I ordered some new cutters. They're not here yet. We'll give this a try with what we got, and maybe by the time we do the finishing we might use a better cutter. But we're gonna start it. It's gonna do a bunch of air cutting until it gets to the end, and actually the first level we might not even do any cutting at all. Then we're gonna keep lowering, and hopefully we can go through the whole plate like that. So let's do it. I'll keep the vacuum off until the cutter gets close to cutting something. Wow, that actually looks pretty nice. Wow, that edge is crisp. Alright, raise the axis, and go on to the next step. Down to 50,000 now. That's near 50,000. Run the program again. Will be quite a bit of air cutting again. It really seems like the little mill is enjoying the slower acceleration. It doesn't get jerked off left and right as much. Alright, so we're going to start a vacuum just in case we hit something here. Alright, going to raise it. Lower it to 75,000 now. A little more, maybe 80,000 there. Close enough. Hope we don't snap the mill. Start growing again. One of the reasons why I'm using the vacuum is that I don't have the covers here yet, and I don't want too much aluminum shavings to get in on the ball screws, and then you're going to end up inside the ball nut and start having issues that you know, we shouldn't be having. So here comes the vacuum. Very good. I'll stop you for a second. I just thought about this issue here with these little lines. It's not very clean. One of the lines in the program asks if as you go down you want to step in a little bit, and I think I had an angle set up there of 3 degrees, so there's going to be a 3-degree ramp here that should be taken out with the finishing cut. So I just thought about that because I change it for the next time I use the program. So that's probably what we're looking at right there. Again, not 100% sure, but that might be one of the causes. So we're going to start it back up and actually erase it first. And we're going to move it. Guys, I'm taking this cut all the way down to the end. I mean, there's only, it doesn't look like a whole lot, maybe 30,000 or 40,000. Hopefully, actually, you know, let me lower it even more. And that's, no, that's gonna hit. That's probably good now. Alright, let's keep our fingers crossed, see what happens. There's a bunch of aluminum stuck in there, so I'm gonna get the wire brush and clean it up. Yeah, I had to clean up all a bunch of aluminum was molten right in the inside the tool, so I was probably getting a little too aggressive there. So let me use a little coolant, a little WD-40, see how that works out. And we're gonna do this last cut one more time. Well, not great by any stretch of the imagination. Oh no, maybe I was mistaken. There's a little bit of material that's being flipped over. Let's see. You know, it's a little rough. Maybe we're expecting that. We're gonna do the finishing pass with the new code, and hopefully it comes out, you know, smooth. We'll see. I might have to slow down this mill a little bit though. I think it's spinning way too fast. So I loaded the finishing code. Again, I don't know how sharp, how good this mill is. This is like some used mill that came with my end mill that came with my machine, so I'm not really sure. But we run the code and see how good of a finish we get. So I did slow down the rotation of the mill to about half of it, so hopefully we don't have any aluminum melting issues this time. Gotta lower it first. Down to 25,000. That's the button. And we're gonna run it. Wow, that's my bad. I forgot to raise the part. Dang it. Alright. Damn it. That's what I was trying to avoid. Anyway, let's go down a little more. Well guys, the part is done. Let's clean up a little bit. Wow, this is actually nice. I was starting to think it was never gonna come out nice, but whoa, I'm impressed. A little sharp on the bottom edge, you'll have to chamfer it a little bit, and obviously that mistake right there, that was my bad, but wow, I'm impressed. So I think we have a functioning CNC mill here, and we're gonna keep making parts from now on. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed it.